Good morning everyone. Today we will study about vapor density of a gas or vapor. When it comes to study the properties of gases, any property, say density of a gas, it is really difficult to calculate. Hence, it is calculated with respect to some other gas. This is done by comparing mass of certain volume of a gas with mass of same volume of hydrogen under similar condition of temperature and pressure. So what we can write? Vd is equal to mass of certain volume of a gas, say V volume, divided by mass of same volume, it means V volume of hydrogen under similar condition of temperature and pressure is known as vapor density or relative vapor density. It has no unit. Now, how to define vapor density? Vapor density is the density of a particular gas or vapor relative to that of hydrogen at the same temperature and pressure. Is it clear? We have to study what is the relationship between vapor density and molecular mass. Formal proofs are not required, but I will explain for better understanding. Okay, so first method which is given in your book, first we will do that only. What is relative vapor density? Now it is clear, I hope. It is mass of volume V, certain volume, any volume. So here mass of volume V of a gas divided by mass of volume V of hydrogen gas under similar condition of temperature and pressure. Now according to Avogadro's law, I hope you remember Avogadro's law, I will not repeat again. Volume at the same temperature and pressure may be substituted by molecules. Hence we can write vapor density, relative vapor density is equal to mass of one molecule of gas or vapor divided by mass of one molecule of hydrogen gas. We already know that one molecule of hydrogen gas contains two atoms of hydrogen. So in place of one molecule of hydrogen gas, we also can write mass of two atoms of hydrogen. Okay. Now by multiplying both side by 2, what we will get? 2 into vapor density is equal to mass of one molecule of a gas or vapor divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen. So what is relative molecular mass? Do you remember? Relative molecular mass is equal to mass of one molecule of a substance divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen or mass of 1/12 mass of carbon 12 atom. Okay, so in place of this we can write relative molecular mass. So 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular mass. This is the relationship between molecular mass and vapor density. Okay, one more method we will discuss. With the help of gas equation, ideal gas equation also, we can derive relationship between vapor density and molecular mass. So what is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N is number of mole, R is gas constant, and T is for temperature in Kelvin. Okay. If the mass of a sample of a gas is W and molecular mass is equal to M, so N will be equal to W upon M. So substituting the value of N in gas equation, what we will get? PV is equal to W upon M RT, or we can also write PM is equal to W upon V RT. Okay, what is W upon V? Weight or mass per unit volume is equal to density. So what we can write? Pm is equal to rho RT. Simply density RT you can write. So Pm is equal to rho RT, or rho is equal to Pm upon RT. Okay, so how we can calculate density of any gas? Pm divided by RT. So what is vapor density? Vapor density is the density of a gas with respect to density of hydrogen. Okay, so Vd is equal to density of a gas divided by density of hydrogen under similar condition of temperature and pressure. So now put the value of rho here. Density of a gas is equal to Pm divided by RT. Density of hydrogen will be equal to Pm, but here we already know molecular mass of hydrogen, that is 2. So P into 2 divided by RT. RT will be cancelled. P also will be cancelled. What is left? M upon 2. So Vd is equal to M upon 2, or we can write 2 into Vd is equal to molecular mass. Okay, is it clear? Okay, only for understanding I have explained. Okay, no question will be asked. Only numericals problem will be asked in exam. Okay, so now we will discuss one or two numericals. So first, example number 1. What is example number 1? A gas cylinder. One question is given. A gas cylinder filled with hydrogen hold 50 gram of the gas. Hydrogen gas 50 gram. The same cylinder hold 200 gram of a gas X and 500 gram of gas Y. Considering the same condition of temperature and pressure in the cylinder, calculate the relative molecular masses of gases X and V. Okay, cylinder is same, it means volume of all the gases same. Okay, so now first we will find out vapor density. Vapor density, how to calculate vapor density? Vapor density is equal to mass of certain volume of gas divided by mass of same volume of hydrogen. So for X, what mass of same volume is given? 200. Okay, 200 divided by 50. This is mass of hydrogen. We will get 4. Vapor density of X is equal to 4. What will be the molecular mass? 2 into vapor density. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Clear? So we'll take now second part, Y. Okay. For second part, Y, vapor density of Y is equal to, what mass of Y is given? 500. So 500 and mass of hydrogen, same volume is 50. 500 divided by 50, we will get 10. Then relative molecular mass is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay. Now one more example. Some amount of potassium permanganate was heated in a test tube, and after collecting 1 liter of oxygen at room temperature, it was found that the test tube had undergone a loss in mass of 1.32 gram. If 1 liter of hydrogen under the same condition of temperature and pressure has a mass of 0.0825 gram, calculate relative molecular mass of oxygen. So here what is given in this question? Mass of 1 liter of oxygen is given and mass of 1 liter of hydrogen is also given. So what we can calculate? Vapor density, because vapor density is equal to mass of certain volume of a gas divided by mass of same volume of hydrogen. So here it is given, mass of 1 liter of oxygen is 1.32 and mass of 1 liter of hydrogen is given as 0.0825. So 1.32 divided by 0.0825, we will get 16. So relative molecular mass will be equal to 2 into vapor density. It means 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Okay, that's it.